guys! Welcome to my channel, Joe's Crafts and DIYs. Happy first day of December. Where did the time go? It's 24 days before Christmas. Oh my goodness. For today's video, it is really short. I am just going to show you my 2-in-1 Christmas lantern. But before that, I want to say thank you to my 700 plus subscribers and to all the other supporters I have out there. Even if you didn't subscribe, but you have been watching my videos, thank you very much. I really appreciate all the effort and the time that you have spent on my channel. And I hope that you keep supporting me. So yeah, I have this 2-in-1 Christmas lantern, and why I call it 2-in-1, it's because if you notice that we have a red, white, and blue, it represents the color of the American flag, the United States of America. So I decided to call it a 2-in-1. I can use it for Christmas, of course. I can use it for 4th of July. What do you think? Red, white, and blue, why not? Right? So that's it, guys.